Hi guys, my name is Adina Eshankulova. Today I'm going to talk about with you human voice and sounds. What did I do now? Yes, you're right. This is called clap. As I told you, today we're going to talk about human voice and sounds. What do you think? What does it mean? Onomatopoeia. Onomatopoeia is a combination of speech sounds which aims at imitating sounds produced in nature, such as wind, sea, thunder, by things, machines or tools, or by people, sighing, laughter, patter of feet, and by animals. Combinations of speech sounds of this type will inevitably be associated with whatever produces the natural sound. Therefore, the relation between onomatopoeia and the phenomenon it is supposed to represent is one of metonymy. Let's get started. What examples do you know on onomatopoeia? At the beginning of the lesson, I clapped, and this was one of the examples. So, examples of onomatopoeia or sounds which are made in nature and human imitating it, sounds of things hitting things, something like clank, clack, splat, etc. And mechanical sounds, something like bang, tick, or electronic sounds like bleep, beep, ping. Next is organic sounds, snap, crack, pop, or water sounds like shh, splash, fizz, and etc. Other sound words. As you know, the sounds which animal makes also called imitated human sound. Here, as you see, what do you see? It's like bang, buzz, click, crash, crack. You're going to listen it in an original sound.
Bang. Buzz. Click. Crash. Creak. Crunch. Drip. Hiss. Hoot. Hum.
Next one.
Rattle. Roar. Screech. Slam.
Types of onomatopoeia. As we talked at the beginning, machine noises like honk, beep, vroom, clang, zap, boing. Animal names like cuckoo, whippoorwill, whooping, grand, etc. Impact sounds: boom, crash, whack, thump, bang. Sounds of the voice: shh, giggle, groan, whine, murmur, blurt, whisper, and hiss. Nature sounds like splash, drip, pray, whoosh, buzz, rustle. Machine noises or sounds like honk, beep, vroom, clang, zap, ka-ching, smash, as you see in these photos. Here, animal names. Dear students, I want you to screen this photo to know animal names, and then we will learn the sounds they make. Animal sounds. As you see on the photo, here animal sounds and how do people imitate them.
B. Buzz. B. Buzz. A bee makes a buzz sound. Cat. Meow. Cat. Meow. A cat makes a meow sound. Rooster. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Rooster. Cock-a-doodle-doo. A rooster makes a cock-a-doodle-doo sound. Cow. Mill. Cow. Moo. A cow makes a moo sound. Dog. Woof. Dog. Woof. A dog makes a woof sound. Dog. Quack. Duck. Quack. A duck makes a quack sound. Frog. Ribbit. Frog. Ribbit. A frog makes a ribbit sound.
Impact sounds like boom, crash, whack, thump, bang. Sounds of the voice: shh, giggle, growl, whine, murmur, blurt, whisper, or hiss. Nature sounds like splash, drip, pray, whoosh, buzz, rustle. Guys, let's do some small quiz, and here I will give you 1 minute to do this test. Here, as you see, this clock has a very loud tick. So you are going to do in this way. Okay guys, time is up. Let's get started and let's check. Don't get a handkerchief and blow your nose. It means don't sniff. Very good. Well done, guys. Let's do the third part. To download the news software, just blah 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 and the download icon. And the right answer is, you're absolutely right. That is click. Number 4, there was a, and the answer is splash as he jumped into swimming pool. Number 5, did you hear that? It sounded like a gun. Did you hear that? Bang, and you are again right. Well done. Now, number 6, I heard a floorboard and I knew somebody had come into the room. I heard a floorboard creak. Yeah, perfect. You're absolutely right. Coming to number 7, I lay there hearing the of a mosquito, but I couldn't see it anywhere. So, what sound mosquito makes? Yes, buzz, buzzing sound. Number 8, I hate people who at me when I slow down at an amber light. It is hoot. This hoot is the sound car makes. When I'm nervous, I often tap my fingers on the table. Was number 9. And you are again right. Well done. And the last one, don't, yes, slurp your soup. Eat it quietly. Well done. We are done in here. Let's get to the next task. Here you are going to put the sound words, imitated sounds by human, on the right place. I am giving you here 1 minute. As an example, I will do you the first one. I ordered online proofreading service with the click of a mouse. Now you have 1 minute to do it. Yes, guys, time is up. Let's check it. Second one starts blah 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 when the ducks as we threw them our state bread. So it is quack quack. Yes, it is the sound duck makes. Next, it was lovely to wake up to the tweet of the words outside my bedroom window. You are absolutely right. Tweet is the sound bird makes. Number 4, I could hear their. Well done, you are absolutely right. Buzzing. So I knew there was a bee's nest around here somewhere. Number 5, please do not. And the right answer is beat your horn after dark. Very good. Next one, the dog. And the right answer is, well done, perfect guys. Sniff the air. He could smell meat. Next one, I couldn't sleep. All I could hear was the drip, drip, drip of the faulty host. So here you are again right. Perfect. Next one, the lion let out a loud roar. This is the sound lion makes as the ringmaster cracked his whip. Very good. Let's get to the next one. I heard a knock at the door. Knock when somebody knocks or rings the door. Perfect. The last one. Please whisper while you're in the library. Whisper we talk about when we are speaking like in a library, not to disturb others. Very good. Here is a very small video for you to watch.
Achoo! 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 The sound of sneezing. Achoo! Burp. Burp. The sound of burping. Burp. Clap. Clap. The sound of clapping. Clap. Crunch. Crunch. The sound of eating snack. Crunch. Glug. Glug. The sound of drinking. Glug. Hiccup. Hiccup. The sound of hiccuping. Hiccup. Ho-hum. Ho-hum. The sound of yawning. Ho-hum. Cough. Cough. The sound of coughing. Cough. Mwah. Mwah. The sound of kissing. Mwah. Shh. 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 The sound of being quiet. Shh. Wah, wah. Wah, wah. The sound of baby crying. Wah, wah. Yum, yum. Yum, yum. The sound of chewing food. Yum, yum. Review.
Achoo. Burp. Clap. Crunch. Glug. Hiccup. Ho-hum. Cough. Moi. Shh. Wah, wah. Yum, yum.
I hope today's lesson was very interesting, and I, Adina Shankula, was with you. Bye-bye.